Inside Earth.
Inside Earth is 4 layers of molten magma. Each layer has more pressure toward the core.
The core is the hottest part of the Earth. The temperature is 13,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
The mantle is the biggest part of inside Earth. The temperature is 4,000 to 6,700 degrees Fahrenheit.
Inside the mantle, magma is moving around to the surface. It heats up and moves to the top, and the cooled magma goes to the bottom to reheat.
The mantle moves hot magma to the bottom of the crust. The magma makes a mountain with a hole through the crust.
An eruption happens. To make a volcano, this happens because the magma pressures the crust to open. By Travis,
Jared,
Andy,
Villette,
Kendall,
and Maddie,
which is not here.
Hi, and welcome to spreading zones. During the spreading zone, the tectonic plates generally move away from each other. This is called divergent.
The zone is in the lower shore and is permanently underwater.
When the oceanic crust subducts under the continental crust, it forms mountains and valleys. When the continental crust diverges, it helps explain the continental drift.
Spreading zones is in the oceanic crust forms mid-ocean ridges.
Magma comes from the earth due to extreme heat. Rocks dissolve and they turn into magma, then rises up from the mantle.
New oceanic crust is formed through volcanic activity, then gradually moves away from the ridge.
When the magma rises from Earth's mantle, it rises and cools and forms islands. It also causes volcanoes to erupt. When the magma cools on land, it turns to ash.
Caleb,
Liam, Abby,
Takaya, Maya,
Peyton,
Michaela,
Valerie,
Dane,
Taylor,
Maida.
The Earth is made up of 12 plates as shown.
The San Andreas Fault as a transform plate boundary is where the plates slide past each other.
It separates the North American plate from the Pacific plate.
This fault is largely responsible for the devastating earthquakes in Los Angeles and San Francisco. Along the San Andreas Fault, a major earthquake occurs about every 100 years. This is the destruction that the earthquakes make. Alfred Wegener was a German scientist and was very interested in Earth's crust. One day he went to the library to find some more facts. He found fossils of ancient tropical plants in Antarctica and other cooler places. The only explanation was that the continents have moved. He called this theory continental drift. When he had more research, he realized that Africa and South America fit almost perfectly and had noticed that they would be connected were the full mountains and mountain ranges. Wegener looked at the fossils of dinosaurs next, and when he put together the continents and the places where the fossils were, they made paths. He decided to call the supercontinent that the continents larger made up Pangaea. The paths the fossils made proved that his theory, because the dinosaurs would never have swum that far from continent to continent. This is Pangaea, and how it changed over the years. It was obvious his theory was true, but he never found out what caused the continents to move. By Savannah, Shaylee, Sophia, Zeke, Mitchell, and Jacob E.